Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the amnesty, that's the visa amnesty here in Thailand that was promulgated and put into effect March 26, 2020, that is going to run out on July 31, 2020. So we're going to hit the deadline with that. And we are making this video on July 19th, 2020. We are making this video based on some recent updates having to do with a possible extension under the visa amnesty. Please, before taking anything further into account on this video, please note that an official announcement, specifically a cabinet resolution, has yet to be seen with respect to this overall issue. We are going to continue updating folks on this channel as best we can as things progress, but we are presumably going to be seeing this on Tuesday. That should be Tuesday the 21st here in Thailand, regarding official announcement of matters pertaining to the visa amnesty. So there's been a lot going on with this, and we're going to quote quite a bit here and get into some analysis, because I think we're running up on the end of a deadline here, and I want to be as clear as I can to folks to provide as much information, because I do understand there are people that are just stuck in this limbo and they don't really have a clear set of options ahead of them. So first, from Reuters, we initially found this via ThaiVisa.com. This is from Reuters. Quoting directly, Thailand on Friday said it would give foreigners a grace period until September to apply for visa extensions as it eased restrictions amid the pandemic, a senior official said. Quoting further, so we do not propose to extend visas after July 31, but allow for visa requests from August 1 to September 26, he said. And he is Immigration Bureau Commissioner Sompong Chingdawan. Adding, the grace period will be proposed to Cabinet for approval. Quoting further, after which, if a request was not made and the visa expired, overstaying will be considered illegal. So that is of note. Then we've got the Bangkok Post. Bangkok Post chimed in with the article, foreigners can apply for visa extension after July 31. Quoting directly, foreign visitors still stranded in the kingdom by the COVID-19 pandemic will be allowed to apply for, and I want to emphasize this, extended short stay after their visas expire on July 31, the Immigration Bureau chief said on Friday. Quoting further, if they do not obtain extensions and are still in the country after September 26th, they would face legal action and be blacklisted. Quoting further, foreign visitors must specify their reasons, and submit necessary documents when seeking to renew short-term visas, which will be granted for 30 days, he said. And he, again, is Police Lieutenant General Sompong Chingdawan. Quoting further, and I want to emphasize a key point here, quoting directly from Lieutenant General Sompong, granting of a short-stay visa will be made on, and I emphasize this, case-by-case basis, Police Lieutenant General Sompong said. Quoting further, he said the Bureau had asked the Council of State about the proposed short stay, and it had advised that the Interior Ministry could issue an announcement. He said the Interior Ministry's visa relief measures for foreign visitors would be submitted to the Cabinet for approval next Tuesday. Finally, from the Tiger, that is Tiger spelled like Thai, T-H-A-I, tiger.com. Quoting directly, the Foreign Affairs Ministry announced today that a third, quote-unquote, automatic extension of visas for foreigners is, quote-unquote, in the works and will be proposed to the Cabinet with the results announced, quote-unquote, soon by the Immigration Bureau. A decision was originally slated for July 15th, then postponed to today. Spokesman Natapanu Nopakun's remarks this afternoon indicate the decision hasn't yet been made. So let's be clear. We have not seen anything official with respect to exactly how this is going to work. It seems as though policymakers are sort of firming up their response with respect to this overarching issue. The other thing to understand is the visa extension, or excuse me, the amnesty itself is slated to end on the 31st. We've still got time. Everybody needs to just sort of, for lack of a better term, stay calm and we're all trying to work through this. I do think ultimately some form of extended status is going to be permitted, but it looks like it's going to be contingent. It's going to be a sort of, I don't know, a grace period is a good way to describe it, but kind of a gray area period wherein if folks fall over into it and during that time obtain a visa that then rectifies their status, that will sort of, I don't know how to put it, that will sort of be added on, or it will sort of integrally be combined with the amnesty itself, and thereafter permit someone to remain in lawful status until their stamp date of expiration on the visa that is actually issued. So, long story short, it looks like what is being firmed up, but what has yet to be officially promulgated is this. There is going to be some kind of extended period in which folks are going to be permitted to apply for a change in their status, or excuse me, an extension of their status, some kind of lawful status here in Thailand. Be that it's not overly specific on that point. They do speak directly to the issue of short stay visas, but it may also be possible to convert into a non-immigrant visa, such as a business visa, an education visa, an O marriage visa, a retirement visa, an O visa based on parentage of Thai children or being a child of a Thai parent. All of these may be possible during this kind of grace period, sort of interlude, if you will, so long as one normalizes their visa status during that period, all is well. The problem you're going to see in this situation is for those who can't get into normalized status. It remains to be seen how exactly those folks are going to be dealt with come September 26th, when this is apparently slated to come to a complete and final end. We will keep you updated on this channel as the situation progresses.